whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh.
If you all liked my content, please give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. If you want to leave a comment or question for me to answer, just put it down in the link below and I will answer you as soon as possible. And I hope you all enjoyed going with me through Ikea to look at some things for my home. And again, this is a huge place. You can get your steps in here, okay? But on that note, I hope y'all have a good rest of y'all day. And again, like, subscribe, share, and comment. And also hit that notification bell so you'll get notified when I upload more videos. Bye.